is, isn't it? There's one of the boats over there, look. So we're just walking down to the boat now that we're going to ride on. I think the rides last for about half an hour. It's absolutely beautiful. We just got to walk all the way down here.
Bald eagle.
Ooh, I can see it. Oh, yeah. Tall tree in the middle. Yeah. Towards the top. Oh yeah.
If you see the black spot, you'll see the white head. But this isn't an adult bald eagle. The adults take about, well, you'll see juveniles out here too. They're going to be brown and white speckled. They're almost solid brown. But it takes them about 5 years to mature and get the white heads, become adult birds. Most people, when they think of Florida, you know, they think of alligators, maybe manatees or dolphins. Bald eagles aren't something that most people think about with Florida, but currently Florida has the 3rd largest resident bald eagle population in the country, behind Alaska and Minnesota. We were the number 2, directly behind Alaska, but last year Minnesota stole that number 2 spot from. From their nostrils, which are out on the tip of their snout, back to their eyeballs. Whatever that distance measures in inches, you just make it feet. So he's got about 4 inches out there from his nostrils to his eyeballs. He's going to be about a 4-foot alligator. That's one of the issues with airboats, especially when we're trying to run a faster pace. When you see them, a lot of times you got to spin back around like that and come back to them, because there's no brakes and no reverse on these things, so all you can do is move forward and just hope you can spin around and get them to come up like this. But the blossoms open up around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. Some of these are still opening up. But what will happen is, as the day heats up and gets hotter, typically by about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, once it gets too hot, they're going to close back up into a tight bud and drop back underneath the water and disappear. So just a few rides every day, get an opportunity to see the white flowers. Just a real pretty blossom with the yellow center. while we're stopped here, guys. A little bit bigger. He's actually our tallest wading bird on the lake, tallest member of the heron family. The other one we've been seeing quite a few of, the big tall white one, just slightly smaller than this bird. That's the great egret. They're both the tallest members of their family, but the great egret's solid white with black legs and feet and a yellow beak. Both are real common birds for us. We're probably going to see several more of each of them before the ride's over with. Another little one, 3.5 foot or so.
back towards the main area of the Wild Florida, and we've had the best boat ride, didn't we? Amazing. It was absolutely amazing. We saw two little baby, like I think 3 or 4 foot baby gators, and then we saw 2 larger ones from a distance, but we still got to see them floating around. It was so good. I definitely think if you're going to come to Florida and you wanted to do something different, to do something like this, because it shows you like the nature of Florida and gets you out for a bit. And how much did you say it was for the entry and the boat ride? $28?
I think it's $28 each for like the park and the half-hour boat ride.
But yeah, it was amazing. And now we're just walking back along this path. So the main bit's over there, and you go just over there to do the boat ride. And you can hear all the nature. That was so good.
That dragonfly just landed in